Hey guys. Okay, so you want to make a Roblox game, huh? That's not just playing anymore. That's stepping into God mode. You're about to learn how to turn an empty base plate into a living world with rules, physics, and chaos that you control. Let's go all in. Step 1. Install and open the Roblox Studio. If you haven't yet, go to the create.roblox.com and hit start creating if you find it somewhere here. All right. Uh, Download and install the Roblox Studio. It's free, and sign in using your Roblox account. Once it's open, you will see menu of templates. That's where the magic begins. Right? You're gonna see base plate, obby, racing, tycoon, village. Right? Pick one, and then just create. All right. So, let me. Okay, let me go back right here. All right. Right. Step 3. Learn your workspace, the builder's playground. Explore panel, right? Properties panel, viewport, toolbox. If you don't see Explorer or quote unquote properties, go to view and enable them. Build your world. Insert parts, resize, enter color and material. Anchoring, right click and then hit anchor to stop objects from falling through the floor. Collision off for hidden paths or ghost objects. Pro tip, hold Control plus D for Windows or Command plus D on Mac to duplicate parts fast. Add interactivity, right? The scripting part. Okay, don't run away when you see the word code. Roblox uses Lua, and it's honestly one of the chillest languages to learn. Let's do a tiny example, right? Click on your part like a brick. In the Explorer, right click it, insert object, and then hit script, right? And you're gonna insert a script, okay? An example script, okay? Now when someone touches that brick, boom, it prints their name in the output console. Right? Once you add the script, you just code it. Feel powerful yet? Right? Step 6, just test your game. Hit play, walk around, jump, touch your parts. Sounds wrong, but you get it. Use this to test physics, movement, lighting, etc. If something glitches, don't panic. Everyone's first 10 games explode in weird ways. That's how you learn. So, step 7, just add a player experience. Games need goals. So ask yourself, what does the player do? Right? Here are the ideas by genre. Obby, checkpoints, lava parts, reward at end. Tycoon, buttons that spawn new buildings. Fighting, NPCs, weapons, health system. Adventure, dialogue boxes, quests, treasure chests. Simulator, click for coins, upgrade stuff. So most of these you can find ready-made in the toolbox. Search checkpoint system, coin collector, etc. Just make sure you check the creator's name. Not all free models are safe. Avoid anything with random scripts labeled require something. Those can be malicious, right? And just save and publish game. Click file, right, on the left-hand menu, and name your game. Give it a description and set it to public so others can play. Click create. Right? Your game now has a live link. Drop it in group chat, TikTok comments, whatever. Welcome to the dev life. Right? And make sure to upload over time in terms of music, lighting, custom GUIs, leaderboards or badges, game passes for Roblox. You will find everything you need inside the toolbox and developer hub. Right? So, final thought: making Roblox game isn't just about building; it's about world making. You're creating a place that didn't exist this morning, and if you stick with it, you can literally earn money while people laugh, rage, and celebrate inside your imagination. That's kind of poetic, huh? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.